I'm your guilty pleasure. So come and get it, get it. All you gotta do is admit it. I'm your guilty pleasure.